Hello friend, I am fine and I know that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is the foolish stage. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Friends, a stag while drinking water at a stream saw the reflection of his beautiful horn. He felt proud of their beauty. He pressed them. When he looked at his ugly, thin legs, he hated them. Suddenly, some horns appeared there. As soon as he saw them, he ran away to save himself. His thin and ugly legs carried him away from the hounds, but his beautiful horn were caged in a bush. The hounds came up to him and tore him into the pieces. Moral: pride hath a fall. So dear friend, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video.